In this video, I'm just going to show you a couple of other jQuery UI functions which may come in useful for you. The two that we're going to look at here both require the jQuery UI themes style sheet to be in there. There's various themes for the jQuery UI which are just different looks and color schemes. I'm going to use the standard one, which is smoothness, which just makes everything look a bit nicer. You can of course customize it any way you like, but we'll use this one for now. So going back to our body, we're going to create a selection of divs, each of which have a title. And I'm thinking that this would be a kind of FAQ or a set of instructions on how to use your app or something like that. But we'll just do some demo text for now. There we go. Plenty of text there. Close our paragraph tag. Close our div, and then we'll create a few of those. So there we go. Now, if you've got a lot of information to display, this could be quite intimidating to the user, and they don't necessarily need to see all of it. So you might want to just have the title showing and then be able to allow the user to click on a particular title to read one thing at a time. And that's what this accordion function does extremely well. So all you need to do is take your content and surround it with a div. We'll give it an ID of accordion. It doesn't really matter what the ID is. Close the div there, and then you may be able to guess how this works. We just select the accordion by its ID and run the accordion function on it. Okay, let's see how that looks. Much nicer, much more manageable, even though my text doesn't look very friendly. And then if you click on any one of these, they just open and close whichever one is already open. So a really handy shortcut to avoid displaying a large amount of text on the screen at any one time. So that's the accordion. The other one I want to show you is sortable lists, which are also very useful. You might have a form where you want them to rate a certain set of objects or whatever it might be, and to be able to drag them up and down and put them in order is a very, very useful, very nice way of interacting with a website. So let's see how we can do that. All we need to do is create our list in the usual way. I'll go for some foods again. We'll have good old staples. Pizza, cheese, tomatoes, and chocolate. Okay, so if we have a look at that, that's just a standard list. Now, if we select our UL like that and apply the sortable function to it, it now becomes a sortable list. So again, a very fantastically easy way to do something that would take quite a long time to actually code by hand.